Good morning. This is Stacey Sandoe with Coldwell Banker, Kappel Gateway Realty. And I'm here today with my business partner, Elaine Sciacca, and we're going to do a virtual tour of a property in Woodland at 715 Donner Way. This house is listed for $424,000. It had its price reduction down from $427,000. It has RV parking, which is fantastic. Lots of buyers like that. The roof was replaced in 2018, and it's a 50-year comp roof. And extra parking there. And here we are at the front door, and I'm going to let Elaine take over from here.
Okay. So we're going to walk you right through here. Stacey's going to tell you all about 715 Donner Way. The 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and here we go.
So like Elaine said, it's a 4-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1,538 square feet, and it was built in 1971. We're here in the entryway, and it has a tile floor for the entryway. And there's new laminate floor throughout the house. So we're going into the living and dining room. So here we have our dining. That door that you see in the back goes into the garage. The kitchen has granite countertops. There we are. And the kitchen was remodeled not long ago, so it has new cabinets, new shaker cabinets, and laminate flooring. So nice size galley kitchen with lots of extra counter space with that peninsula. Now we're in to the living area. We have a wood burning fireplace with a gas starter. And as you can see outside, there is a pool, so we'll take you there in a little bit. The laminate flooring goes throughout the living area. And this house was painted. The whole house was interior was recently painted. Now, Elaine, if you'll look up.
Go to the skylight.
There, right there. So that light that you see there is a sky tube. So it is a skylight, but it's just a tube that goes through the roof access, and it just pulls light down. So you always have to natural light there. There is not a light in it, but it will brighten up the whole area. So this is the first bathroom, the guest bathroom. And as you can see, it's been remodeled, and we have granite countertops and tile floors. And dual pane window. So these doors, so there's our entryway. So these doors are linen closet and coat closet. So there's lots of good storage here. And as we move forward there, we're going into the master bedroom, excuse me. So this room also was recently repainted. And it's a good sized room. That these sellers just have very big furniture. So once that's out, this is a very good sized room, because that's a king size bed, I believe.
Yeah, it is. Master bath.
And here we are in the master bathroom, and it has a tile surround on the tub there. Tub shower combination, and it has tile floors. The whole house has six panel doors throughout, so they're new interior doors. That's another linen closet right there. We're going into the first of their bedrooms. You can see that they use this kind of as a catch-all and exercise room.
Playroom.
But it also was repainted. And across the hall, this is the another bedroom. They're currently using it as a den. These sellers are downsizing, which is why they're moving and selling their house. All of the kids are out of the house now, so they're downsizing to something smaller for just them. We have one more bedroom here with a walk-in closet. The owner is a musician. That's why there's so many guitars everywhere.
Okay, I'm going to take you to the back door.
Okay.
Oh, it was the other way, wasn't it?
Yes, to your left.
I can see the house again.
Back through the kitchen.
All right. So go ahead and share your photos.
All right, so we were at the front door. Let's go to the back door. So this isn't exactly the back door, but you can see it's a nice backyard. It has an in-ground gunite pool. And this fence over here is actually concrete and has a nice little grassy area too. That pool will be really nice on those hot, hot summer days.
Out there.
And like I said, the roof was replaced 2 years ago, so you don't have to worry about that. And we're back to the
very
front.
clean home.
Yeah.
So again, this was 715 Donner Way in Woodland. It's being offered at $424,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. What is this? 1538 square feet. And it's listed by one of our agents, Marc DeContreaus. And this is Stacey, Sandoe, and Elaine Sciacca from Coldwell, Kappel Gateway Realty, sharing this property with you.
Thanks for joining in, and you guys have a great day.